Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add like filters and like effects to your video camera on TikTok Live. So there's going to be this, let me just add my camera first. Okay, so I've added like my camera here, and there's going to be like an enhance filter here, and there's going to be an effects filter as well. Well, like an effects section where you can like add these effects, and you can add in filters as well to your videos. You can even add in like these like cute frames, and you're just going to save it. So that is what you're going to want to do. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.